What's up, fam bam? I am back with another mukbang, and today, you guys, we are going to enjoy some Publix. So I have me and the bag is already tearing, y'all. I have me a Publix sub, not just any Publix sub, but I have me a Philly Publix sub. Y'all, this is one of my favorite subs from Publix. My absolute fave. So I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna get right in. Alright, so since it's already split, I'm just gonna split it in half. And I plan on eating the whole thing tonight, y'all. Ain't no shame in my Publix game. And I forgot to tell them to cut it in 4s, which is something that I normally do, but it's okay. It is quite alright. I have not had one of these in a very long time, and it was on sale, y'all. So my local Publix had whole Phillies, y'all, for the same price as the half, which is $5.99. So this, oh my god, y'all, on multigrain bread. So we're gonna get right into it. I feel like I need to do a thumbnail with both halves. So let's go ahead and unwrap. And like I said, I will be eating all of this. Oh. So this is my other half, right? Put this here. So I got my 2 halves, and now we gotta get a thumbnail. So I'm gonna be do something like, or maybe something like, alright, we're gonna make one of them work. So good. So I don't put any lettuce, tomato, nothing. I literally just do mayo and mustard, and then the cooked onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms. And I don't do boar's head. I just do the Publix roast beef. That's all I do. And it's so good. So good. Let me scoot y'all back some so y'all can continue to see my beautiful sub. Look at that. So good. My dog was staring at me. Y'all, my mommy's calling me. But I'm gonna call her back. Mm. My fave. So, in the background, I have Love Growing Up Hip Hop. I'm not loving hip hop. But I'm not watching it by any means. I'm enjoying myself. They made this one right. So good. How my dog is over there lurking. I ain't making eye contact. So, it's so thick. I love Publix bread. I love it. And I always get multigrain. It's coming apart. So, let me hip y'all to the game. I always go online and order my sub. As opposed to going and ordering and waiting in line. Or going and waiting in line and then ordering. Not the move. Not the move. The bread is toasted perfectly. Piece fell off. Y'all eat your meat tonight. Leave myself in there. There ain't gone. You better go. I taste that grill of that bread. No. This is my favorite. This is like one of my favorite meals. Real talk. I started eating these. Back in high school. And I used to skip school and go down the street to Publix. It's so good. And this bread, to me, the bread is what basically make the salad. And the cheese. Because what your girl won't do is a Philly like from American Deli, or for one, I don't like their bread. And for two, the meat don't taste like this, but roast beef. And then they use that cheese sauce. So, I'm gonna put that to the side. That was so good. Oh my God. Now my second half. What's up, though, fam, man? I couldn't call it. Not right now. All the little grains off the bread. Sprinkle them. Now, I have some juice. Some. Not focusing. It's some, anyway, some pineapple orange. But I'm not going to even open this right now. I think I told you about in a previous mukbang. I'm not big on juice, like drinking while I eat. I'm straight right now. I just want to enjoy my sandwich. God. Now my dog still over there lurking. It's so good. I did not know what I wanted to eat tonight. But I am so glad that I picked it. Don't you fall apart on me. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Y'all, I'm in full. I don't even know if I'm having room for my special treat. Move there. No, I'm falling. Woo! How? I'm outside. Sleep watching the TV. It's the new episode tonight. Look, I don't know what's going on. I don't even know what was going on in the last season. I just keep killing this one paper towel. Oh Lord, it's R. Kelly is why. I'm gonna put it on HGTV. I'm gonna put it on TV on HGTV. Woo! Bam, bam. Wow. I'm about full. Oh, I just got a grain. I've never gotten it before. It was like a sesame seed. I think that's about it on this. It was good. Don't get me wrong. It was so good. I just feel myself getting full. I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it to the limit. That was so good. So now, ooh, I wasted some on my table. Pineapple on. That's all I'm gonna drink. That is all I'm gonna drink. I'm gonna wipe off my table. That is all I'm gonna drink. Cause I gotta save room. Whew. I gotta save room for something that I've been holding off on for a very long time. So I got my spoon. And I'm about to get in on my Butterfinger ice cream. Y'all, never been open. So let's open her up. Oh my God. Y'all, look at it, just is oozing and waiting. Oozing and waiting and oozing. Butterfinger is like my favorite. My favorite candy bar. My favorite candy bar. I'm not tasting the chunks yet. And I don't see many of them. But you know how sometimes with ice cream like this, you get like, you hit your little hidden treasures. Or you be like, there. That was the move. That was it right there. That was it. So. I'm doing so. That one had, the camera just do not want to, it don't do well with up close. That was a good little chocolatey chunk. But yeah. Favorite. favorite candy bar of all time. Butterfinger with this is like a, I'm at home by myself, chilling meal, which I am. I'm kid free, baby on the road. It's almost like a comfort meal, cause I'm sleep sad. I'm sleep sad, but I'm enjoying the alone time, even though I don't know what to do with myself. So I'm eating. Oh, I'm feeling something, y'all. I'm feeling something down in here, down in my soul, down in my ice cream soul. That's pretty good. I'm trying to show y'all. I'm trying to be mindful of y'all. But at this point, ooh, I'm gonna put some on my sandwich. How y'all think that would taste? Let me know in the comment section if I should try to put some on my sandwich. Not try to, but put some on my sandwich. That's good. I think that's all I'm gonna eat, y'all. Cause I'm not trying to push it to the limit. And I do not want my stomach hurting in the morning. So it's gonna be my last scoop. I keep dropping stuff. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I am nice and full. 23 minutes later. I'm gonna put the top on it. Put the top on the baby. Put that right there. Just put that off to the side. I'm finna wrap up my little bit of sandwich. And that's it, y'all. Cause your girl is good. I'm done. Thank y'all again, fam, for watching. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.